Yeah, I know, guys. This is a little bit theory because all Spring concept based on this theory only, right? Because of that, I'm taking the time. Don't lose hope, guys. We will enjoy whatever things I'm explaining here. Those things I'm going to explain in our application only, right? Because of that, what? Because of that, what I'm doing that. I'm creating the diagram and I'm explaining based on those diagram the things, and because of that, right? So please listen carefully, right? Be careful and a little bit patience need in initial anything. If you learn anything, right? So first, see, if you start any business, right, first you have to understand that business inventory, right? Without understanding the business inventory, if you start the business, then loss is only, right? Except that you can't get anything, whatever you will put the money inside that, right? All those things will be wasted. So same like to learn anything, right? So first we have need to what? See, boss, in the game only normal things. If you want to play any game, if you want to become a good player in the game, right, first understand the game rule. So same like if you want to become player anywhere, right, so first learn the rule and how we will work, and those things, small things, if you understand, right, the things will become easy, man. No need to stress too much. Even the Spring Boot also the easy. Spring Boot microservices, each and everything, because based on this concept only, Spring Boot microservices, each and everything, guys, whatever things is there related to Spring, right, everything will be there based on what? The Spring only, right? Because abstraction. See, boss, if you want to write a apple, right, without knowing abcd, you can't able to write apple, right? So same things, if you want to write microservices Spring Boot application also, right, you have to need learn what? Spring. Then their code is reduces whatever boilerplate code is there, those code is not there. Just we will write one or two line, everything will be happen internally. Because of that, Spring Boot is nowadays hot cake in the market, right? But without a Spring, there is no use of what? Spring Boot, right? So but even first, if you start the interview also in Spring, right, microservices boot, they will ask first Spring only, because they want to know that kid, you know or not Spring. Because if you good in Spring Boot is easy, right? So now let's, so what rule they given? They given Spring Bean classes, right? Spring Bean classes, what is the rule? How to write it? So let's understand, right? Let's understand. Package name means, you have to write package statement, right? Package statement, right? After then, class must be what? Public. Class must be public, right? Again, what if data member is there, right? If data member is there, right, means like means like com dot package, I'm writing what? Package, right? Package like com dot rk dot bean, like must follow this rule, right? Must follow this rule. This is the rule, right? Bean, how we will write the Spring Bean? Must follow means what? Package statement. After then what? Public. Class, if you writing, must be class as what? See, second rule I wrote, right? Class must be what? Public. So means class must be what? Class, like public class what? Bean. Just I'm writing bean, bean, right? Bean. Inside that, see, there is no mandatory inside bean, right? Inside bean, private variable means variable no need. There is no rule in Spring Bean ki you have to write a Spring data variable also. But if data variable is there, data variable should be private, like int int bean id, right? Must be private means, if data member, this is not mandatory key, must be there in the bean, right? This is the optional, right? If need that data member is what? Data member is what? Private. that data member is, this is optional. If there must be private, otherwise see, our IOC container will what execute it, we will not get any exception or error. But rule, whatever rule is there in the documentation, those rule I'm explaining, right? So now if exist must be private data variable, right? Data variable must be private. And again what, default constructor, right? Default construct, class must have default constructor with set get method for every variable. If see, injection I will explain again, but here I'm explaining spring bean rule, right? Bean rule, set get method, set get method for every, if data member is there, if this data member is there, set get method must be, right? Set get, set and get data set get method must be, right? This is the rule. Again what, if constructor is there, if you want to inject this data as a constructor, constructor also there, right? Constructor is there, right? Now we can override java.lang.object, right? We can override java.lang.object to string has code and equals method, right? And we can implement what, implement serialize also, serialize, just I'm writing shortcut only, right? Serializable interface, right? These, if we writing are writing means we are following these rules, means then we can say that what, this is what spring bean class, right? So now this class is called what, spring bean class, right? So now, so let's, how many input, this is what, this is the bean class, one bean class input need, and the second one is what, spring configuration need, right? Spring configuration need. So now let's understand, right? These two input need whom, spring container. But so activating the input means spring, these two input is need, okay, no problem, okay, I will give these input. But who will convert, means how we activate this spring container, somebody need, right? Something need to activate this container to process these things, right? To process these things, right? So for IOC container means this is means so means container, this spring container is two type, right? This spring container is what, two types, what, two types of what, spring container means we can say spring IOC container also, because conversation is happening, right? Then spring container, spring container is what, two type, spring container is what, two type. But here I will explain only one type only, but because maybe next version one spring bean, right? Is bean factory container is there, which is the old, no one is using, just bean factory is supporting what, XML configuration. Because of that the spring people decided to remove, right? Now in the, in this version that is becoming what, deprecated. Because of that I'm not going to explain that one, but we have to know that, right? How many type of what, spring container, right? So first one is what, bean factory, bean factory, bean factory, right? Bean factory container, bean factory container. Second one is what, second one is what, this is the new container, but this one is the 1.0 spring 1.0 version onward, this one is there, right? But this one is what, 2.x version onward it's came, right? Which one, application what, context, application context container. These two type of what, these two type of what, spring container is there, right? These two type, but and both are what, both are interface only. To activating, what is the responsibility to activate what, interface. This is what, interface. This one also what, interface only. This one is also what, interface only. To activating IOC container, to accept what, to accept what, bean classes means spring bean and configuration classes. We have what, two interfaces means two container. This one is what, old container, old container, and this one is what, a new container. And a new container is accepting what, java based configuration, as well as what, annotation based configuration, which is nowadays industry is using now, right? Which is nowadays industry is using. Because of that, right, I will not going to explain this one ioc container, right? Even just know that, right? Old container no need, right? Because whatever things we can do, both things we can do using what application, because in the relation between both interfaces, inheritance is a relation is there, like, right, is a relation is there, like first this, like this relation is there. One, like bean bean factory, this is the what, bean factory interface is there, right? This is what, old container is there. This is what, old container is there. And same, after then they realizing that our container is not accepting the what like annotation and java configuration, then they will introduce in spring 1.2 version, what, sorry, 2.x version, what, application application context container, right? And after then what they did, they implemented, right? Means they extended, they made easy relation, means this functionality is there here also, right? Because of that, they given what, this functionality is here also. And after then it will become what, easy relation between these, easy relation, right? Easy here, which keyword they use, extent, right? Means inherited what, bean factory in application context, right? So these two container is there, right? So let's understand. First we will understand what I will write, what I said here, right? I said which how many spring configuration. Now we understood what, how we will write, what is the rule to write bean class, right? So let's understand how what is the rule and how we will write what, configuration, spring configuration file, right? We will understand what is spring configuration file with xml base, java based. I will explain after. First let's understand what is the how we will write this one, right? So now, so this is what, let's understand. So means spring bean, right? Spring bean in the xml configuration, how we will write it, guys? I'm going to implement as a practically also the same application. Be carefully, right? The application it's look like diagrammatically. When I will implement in the project now, when I will develop the application now, again I will tell, see I'm going to write this one, see I'm going to write this one, see I'm doing this one, right? This functionality, and see how conversion is happening, these things is happening to a spring container. This is called what, inversion of control. I will explain each and everything as a practically also. Again I will explain, right, in real time, which is most used. Annotation and java base, okay, okay. Fahad, annotation and a java base. xml base is not nowadays industry is not using, but I have need to explain, because one application if I explain in what, xml configuration, you people will then, when I will write whenever I will write java based configuration, you people will catch easily. Because of that I'm stressing these things, right? So be patient, right? I will explain, don't worry. So now, so if this public implementation, right, bean class is there, right? So means the what is the, in the xml configuration, so right, whenever we are writing that, right, whenever we will write that xml, any name, right, any name we can take, any name, xml file name we can take any name, right? We can take, but extension must be xml. Extension last anything. Here any name is we can take, right, xyz also, xyz also, abcd also, spring also, spring dot config, config, but extension must be. If we configure this bean class in what I said, that two input need, right? Whom, ioc container, means container, spring container need what, two input, right? So two input, so to input first is what is spring bean means one object, and that object must be configured in what in a spring configuration. So now must be means is in name anything but extension must be what XML, right? XML. Then what, that is what, that is acceptable in a spring concept, right? Not a spring XML. XML rule is there, right? If you write the things in XML must be followed, like how we are writing HTML code. After writing any name you have to write dot HTML, right? Same like if you writing any XML code, right? In you have to save that file with extension name XML, same like, right? So now, so let's understand means bean inside, what is that? This things is called in spring in is spring context what, bean, right? The class is called what? So because of that, beans one tag is there, right? Spring people is giving what, beans one tag, right? It means plural. Think about that, this is only showing beans, not a bean. Beans, beans, right? Beans. In that, inside that, what we will write, right? Bean, like bean means one object. One means one, this is what, single, right? Single, this is what, one bean, huh? So now bean, now bean, right? Bean, in that bean, right? We means if open the bean, we must the close the bean also. This is the rule of what, XML. Bean, right? Bean. Now inside that what attributes are there? What attribute? ID attribute means how our container will recognize that which bean we are calling that, right? So we will give inside what, ID attribute, what in the IT attribute, what, just bean, right? Bean, we will write what, bean. Again what we will do now, again what, next is what, class must be fully qualified, right? Class must be what, fully qualified. If we write the, how we will write class tag is there, inside that what, fully qualified name is what, com.rk.bean, right? com.rk.bean, right? Dot what, class name is what, beans, right? Bean, right? Like this, if we write like this, what, XML configuration, then means both inputs is ready, right? Both inputs is ready, and now what, now our application is ready to what, our application is ready to what, run it, right? So now, so but let's understand what our application, I said that, right? Spring container, if we want to activate our spring container, right? This is the interface, right? But if we work on interface, we have need what, implementation classes, right? It's implementation classes to how we will pass that what, this XML configuration, this XML configuration and a bean configuration, right? So these two input need, right? In what, in this application context. So let's understand its implementation class, right? Application, like application class is there, right? Application context interface is there. Application context interface is there, right? It's implementation class. If we want to work on application context, we can choose one or another, what, one or another is, it's the implementation classes, right? Then we can able to work it, right? So first is what, class path. Class path, class path, what, class path XML. If our configuration is XML, then we will use this implementation class, right? Then we will use what, this implementation class. If means, and this XML configuration must be what, must be the configuration there inside what, application only. If application configuration, if this application configuration is there in our local machine, like, see, this is, see in the project, right? In the project, if we created in the project, right, the configuration is there in this area, right? Then acceptable is there. But no, I want to save my configuration, spring configuration in E drive, right? E drive. Then which implementation class we will use? Then which implementation class we will use? I will tell. I will show all those things as a practically also, guys, right? But first we have need to understand as a practical, right? So now file, right? File system, file system, file system, XML, file system XML application, right? So now I said that, right? How many way we can give the interview input XML, Java, and annotation. But if we giving accept that, right? So for that XML, if we giving the input for XML configuration, we will use this implementation class. Or if our XML file is there out of what application, then we will use this implementation class. If we are going to explain what, if we are going to what configure this our bean using what Java and annotation base, for that Spring people given what, Spring people given what, annotation config application, right? Config context. This implementation class we will pass here configuration, right? So don't worry, we will see all those things as a practically, right? So now this is the what interface and its implementation classes, right? These are what its implementation classes. These are what its implementation classes, guys. These are what its implementation class, guys, right? So we understand what. So let's understand, right? If we write that, like how we will pass, right? XML configuration is there, right? XML configuration is there. So now let's understand, if activate, how we can activate using this application context, using this implementation classes, right? We will write in the test class, what we will write it. Not getting file system XML means, I'm not understanding for your question only. What I can say. Don't worry, I will clarify when I will start the practical. Don't worry about that, right? At the time of practical, I will explain. Don't worry. Please be patient. Okay. Hey, who's that? Okay. So so now, right? So let's understand, right? So how we will in the test classes, how we will write it, right? Like this, right? So I will explain those implementation class, how we will write it, and we will see as a practical also. And there I will move those files from different places, and I will show you people also, right? Whatever things I am promising, guys, right? Each and everything I will tell. Don't worry, it's not meaning that here. But first I am need to create image in you people, right? In your minds, right? Because our mind always work as a image. If image is there, right, then yeah, we are doing these things, yeah, we are doing these things. Because of that, I prepared the things like this only, right? So now, okay. So if application, how we will write it? Application, right? Application context. Application context means this is the interface, right? Now AC, right? AC equal to, right? If we are taking the class path XML application, right? So what we will do now? New, right? New class class path XML, right? XML application. This is what inside that, what we will do now? Inside that we will pass that what? We will pass that what? This Spring configuration XML, right? In that, then Spring configuration XML. This what? This in the double quote. In the double quote, we will pass in the double quote. So means this file must be in the project only, right? This file must be in the project only, then we can pass like this. If file is there, think about, see, if this file means this XML file is there in the D drive, think about like in my computer, in my computer that file is there in like here, right, in this folder. Then what we will do now, copy, we will copy that place in that, right? And what we will do now again, so for that, if that this bean configuration file is there in out of, means out of project, out of project. So for that we will use what, file system XML application, right? For that, then how we will write it, application context, application context AC equal to, right, application context AC equal to new what, file system, file system application. In that, what we will do now, we will pass again slash what is the spring, because in this folder only, right, spring config.xml, right? We will pass like this. We means if this if this XML is there in the what application only, in the application only, for that what we will use this implementation class. But if our this configuration is there in the machine, means our computer in another drive, not in project, right? Then we will use what, file system application what implementation class. I think you people are, got it, Fahad. I think you got it, the point, right?
Yes, yes. I got it.
Yes, Ravi.
Hmm? Yeah. So
Yes, got it.
annotation,
Got it, got it.
yeah, annotation configuration application context, guys, I will explain again, right? When I will introduce annotation and a Java configuration, because in this time if I explain it, right, in this time if I explain, you people will not get, and my energy will wasted, guys, right? So wait for one more 1 hour to class, right? Then I will, when I will take care, right, annotation configuration, and based on that, right, I will explain Spring Boot, because in the Spring Boot annotation config application context only used, right? So because of that because of that I'm explaining, right, Padma? Okay, Padma, thanks. Okay now, Noor, thank you, Noor, thank you, Padma, and Bala, thanks everybody, right? So I think my energy is not wasting. Whatever things I'm explaining, you people are catching easily, right? Yeah. Now Padma, clear things is there, right? Clarity is, see, this is what theoretically is, we are going that. But don't worry, I will explain these things, I will explain as a practically also, right? Because of that, if we have need to start practical, first we have need to understand each and everything meaning, right? Then because of that I'm explaining. I Because practical only it will take only 1 minute and a 2 minute. Within the 1 minute 2 minute the program will complete, right? And but the things will not understand if I write the application, right? So first I'm explaining each and everything in a patch, right? Then we will do the practical. If you in the sleeping mode also, right, you people able to what, write Spring application. Because of that I'm explaining these kind of things, right? So now okay, got it, right? Hmm. Yes, any messages? Yes, yes. Okay. Now, so already I said that, right? How many defined, we can define config again within the 10 minute, right? Again session will stop, guys. one more time we will connect it, right? We will connect till 4 o'clock. Till 4 o'clock we will take today's session, because after 4 o'clock I have some work today, right? So tomorrow I will take long session, and maybe tomorrow I will conclude total what singleton design pattern. Also tomorrow I will explain singleton design pattern, prototype design pattern, as well as how our spring is working with the singleton design pattern and all those things. Tomorrow really good concept I will take. And now, so let's, what is the responsibility we got in to develop a spring application? How many files required? Spring bean class required, spring xml file required, 2 files is required, right? So now, and we got it the point, right? To spring has given flexible to define configuration, like defining configuration completely using xml, means this is the xml, and defining configuration using annotation or xml base also, right? Those things also I will take care next. But first we got this point, right? Now defining configuration using annotation with java configuration, these two things I will take care now. So but I promise to you people, right? I promise to you people, little bit let's take break for this things whatever I explained. Let's understand the spring, or sorry, maven, right? Maven, because I'm going to what I'm going to write this application using what? Maven what tool. So I promise to you people, right? I will explain maven also. So let's, how much one developer need maven, right? Those, that much things I will deliver today. And um, developer plus what added knowledge I will take one separate session. But how much we have need, what, how much we have need to understand what maven, let's understand. After then we will create one project, and whatever things I explained here, right? Whatever things I explained here, those things, right? Those things I will create one project, and I will develop one application, and I will show it, right? So little bit patience is required, I promise to you people. Now, so let's understand what is the maven, and what is the use of maven, and why we are using the maven, right? So maven is a build tool, right? So means in the real time, if we create a what jar and var of a application, right? To writing too much commands is too much horrible, right? So to automate those things, maven to take those responsibility, right? Who those things responsibility is taken by whom? Maven means creating the project structure, right? Means maven will create what? Project structure. Add the dependency, means dependency means jar, whatever jars required, right? maven will add it, right? And compile our execution, means our project will compile maven project only, right? And packaging application into jar and var. Jar and var, in the jar and var, all responsibility taking care by whom? Our maven only. No need to what put our too much mind, right? maven tool said that these responsibility I will take care, and maven responsibility is taking care in the real time deployment things is there. Based on the maven tool we can deploy it also, right? So but first let's understand, right? First let's understand, means whenever we are working, right, in the maven two what? Two repositories there, how many repositories there? Two repositories there. One central repository is there, second one is what? Local repository is there, right? So how it's searching the jar and var, means required dependency, means required jar and var, how we are downloading in the maven, and how we are means how we are working that, right? And we will create one structure also, right? One structure also means what? Maven compiler plugin, it's having all maven see the local, I will show the local repository in the computer. In the computer c drive is there, in the c drive, right? In the c drive users is there. In the users, right, ravikant, my pc name m2 is there, right? See, this is called what? Local repository. This is the maven local repository, means m2 maven local repository. In this maven local repository, all whatever required dependency is there. First means first, all in the central repository, means central repository I will show that. Central repository in the worldwide www, inside the www is there, right? means if we need what, if we need spring dependency, right, spring dependency, spring maven, if spring context, right, to work in spring maven, this is what, this repository means this is there in what, globally, right. So here we can get what all means spring dependency means spring jar, right, spring context jar, all versions jar. This is called what, central repository, means this is the global, it is running in what, ww. But whenever we are, but when we have need what, locally, if we want to work, right, the jar, right. So the one is a global repository, another one is what, in our pc only, our pc only, what, in where, pc local c users Ravikant m2 repository. Here all dependency like log4j, if I work na, so log4j see, log4j dependency is added in the our local machine, right. So because of that, if net is not there, first if we create the project in the related to Maven, first we have need what, internet, right. In that internet, required jar will download in what, local repository, means local repository means what, in our m2 folder, this repository. See here, spring any spring related jar is not there na. So when I will add it, I will show that, see the, in the local repository, what, in the local repository, what jar is added. Yeah, Noor, I know that deployment, because of that we are using Linux only in the real time. Don't worry, if you need, I will explain those things. Okay, Linux, I know that. Okay, na. So this is what local repository, right? This is local repository. In that, all jar means Maven compiler plugin is there. Means Maven all plugins and Maven support plugin, right? Maven support plugins are there, right? All Maven support plugins is there. I'll show that. Org. This is org, right? Apache. See, in the previously I worked. So all Spring related jars is added here, right? AOP, beans, config, core, expression, JCL, right? So now those things is added here only, right? So same like, so now this is the what, local repository. So let's understand, right? Whenever we are working that, what is the folder structure of that, right? Folder structure of what, Maven, folder structure of Maven. And where we will write what, after then we will develop one application and I will show those things, right. So now let's, okay. So every time you need to add the jar file, no. So now okay na. So now okay. So what is the, let's understand, right, means whenever Maven what folder structure, let's understand what Maven folder structure. In the project, what is the Maven folder structure? Maven what, Maven folder structure, right. So now okay. So what is the means, whenever we are working on what, right. So the, if we write our Java class, right. So src, right, src main slash what, src main slash what, Java folder is there. In that, our Java code we will write that, right. In that, what, Java code, whatever Java code means, bean classes, spring bean classes we will write, spring bean classes we will write inside what, inside our what, in this folder, right, in this folder. Now 1 minute is there, guys, don't go, right, because of that and this is the only 10 minute will take. After then I will explain whatever I explained the application, right. Those things I will show front of you people, what as what practically. So please let's connect one more time, and we will complete whatever we learned theoretically, right. So don't go anywhere, because of that if you not